What are the homes around your area selling for? How much equity do you have in your home? Is now the right time to sell? Questions, questions, questions. With the housing market moving at such a fast pace, it's important to know your home's value. Buying a house isn't an isolated milestone. It's a lifelong investment, and you should always be kept up to date on the state of your investment. If you visit our website's homepage, you'll find a form that reads Know Your Home's Worth, powered by HomeBot. HomeBot is an excellent complimentary tool that we encourage all of our borrowers to use. Once you enter your address, you'll receive a monthly market evaluation, telling you how much your home's worth, the activity happening in your area, and your principal and interest payments, and much, much more. To take the first step in tracking and maximizing your wealth, visit www.closemymortgagetampa.com and be kept up to date of what your home's worth. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.